Hello everyone, Neta U 500 Pro. This Chinese EV was imported from China. All the menus in Chinese language, Chinese navigation, Chinese time. Today we plan to do the conversion of this system to get English language, Navi maps, time zone fix, radio, and so on. Very unusual car. Here you can see two displays showing the blind zone. When we move the head, the picture is moving too on the both screens. Well, the new Chinese EV car came for work. If you want to explain more about this car, you can search it on the web. And do not worry about the Chinese system, because we can convert it. So let's see the result. Well, the same car. The work is done, but it's done by a part. We translated a few parts of the menu. Here is the Russian language with a time zone fix. The full language conversion we'll do a bit later. For now, we installed a few applications. We can install others by the customer's order. So for example, it's the web browser, where else, the navigation. Can install Google Maps too, Chrome, SkyTube, that's the YouTube, just the YouTube without ads. Now the connection is a bit bad, but it's playing the music, Spotify, YouTube music. We can install any. Well, now it's not loading because of the bad connection. Oh, it's playing, but let's turn it on, turn it off. All the applications work, and the full conversion will be done a bit later. Many thanks for watching. If you want to convert and install applications on your Chinese EV car, feel free to contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and bye bye. See ya.